Here are easy, beginner-friendly ways to make cute gift tags, perfect for birthdays, holidays, or handmade gifts. No fancy tools needed. From printing gift tags from your printer to using everyday items to create a special tag for any gift item. Here are a few easy and creative ways to make your own gift tags. Let's begin with some print and cut gift tags. These are the fastest and easiest method to making tags. You can download a free or paid printable gift tag online. Check out some in the links below. Next, just print on cardstock. Cut out with scissors and punch a hole. Add twine, ribbon, or yarn. Here's a tip. Choose craft cardstock or glitter cardstock for a more festive look. Next are DIY gift tags made from scrap paper. These are great for using leftovers, scrapbook paper, cardstock scraps, packaging, or craft paper. Cut simple rectangles or use a tag template. Punch a hole at the top. Add stickers, stamps, or washi tape. Extra cute idea. Layer 2 papers, a patterned one with a small solid tag glued on top. Our next idea is to use old greeting cards to make gift tags. Turn old birthday or Christmas cards into gorgeous tags. All you have to do is cut out pretty parts of the card front. Add a hole punch and write your message on the back. Then add yarn, string. This is eco-friendly and looks nice. Here's some yarn-wrapped gift tags that are super easy to make using leftover yarn. These are perfect for crafters. First, cut a cardboard tag. Wrap yarn around the bottom or edge. Secure with tape or glue. Write your message on the back. A great way to use leftover scrap yarn for a cozy handmade touch. This next gift tags are made using punch shapes plus string. If you have a paper punch, heart, star, circle, birthday, Christmas, etc. Punch a shape out of pretty paper. Punch a smaller hole for string. Then you are all done. These look adorable on small gifts. Another easy way to make gift tags are creating sewn paper gift tags, beginner sewing machine project. First, cut 2 layers of paper. Stitch around the edges with a straight or zigzag stitch. Add ribbon. They look fancy but take seconds. Here's how to make natural craft tags that are rustic plus simple. Cut craft paper tags. Tie on fresh greenery, pine, herbs, with twine. Add a handwritten name. These are great for pressed flowers too. Just add your own touches for a finished look to the gift tag. By the way, you can order blank gift tags in our link below. Here's how to upcycle boxes and packaging. Transform cereal boxes or Amazon boxes into tags. Cut into tag shapes. Cover one side with pretty paper or leave plain. Punch a hole. It's free plus sturdy. Here is how to make minimalist handmade tags. Cut white cardstock rectangles. Write names in bold marker or brush pen. Add a single sticker, washi tape strip, or small doodle. It's clean, stylish, and fast. You can create hand-drawn or stamped tags by cutting simple tags. Add stamps, doodles, dot borders, or little illustrations. Great for personalized touches. The possibilities are endless. Handmade gift tags are a great way to add a special touch to a present. They are easy to make and you can have fun making them with the kids or your friends. You can also find lots of free printable gift cards that to print and cut out on cardstock. There are some special paid options too. Check out our recommendations for gift card tags, cardstock paper, and printables in the links below. Enjoy making gift tags for holidays, birthdays, and special occasions for family and friends. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.